Mickey is also very fond of dominoes. There's nothing better than a good game of dominoes. Mickey likes all the boys at Fire Station number 10 in Minneapolis, but most of all, he likes best the domino players. So the boys play dominoes, and Mickey displays great interest. Oh, yes. There's one thing Mickey likes better than dominoes, and that's fires. Oh, boy, does he like fires. Gangway for Mickey the Polecat. Come on, Mickey. Don't be so camera shy. There's work to be done. There's nothing faster than riding with the chief. Here, here, keep that mouth shut. You're supposed to be excited. And say, where's your hat?